Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about methods in Java. Methods are nothing but these are the sequence of statements or a block of code. It can be reusable and it is used for perform specific tasks and it improves modularity. Modularity means if if you return multiple tasks within a one code, you can split them as a separate function. Suppose you add, subtract, multiplication, division, you return in one code means we can write separate function or method for that code separately, and it will be easy to maintain and reuse that code. Let's take example of real life method. Method means think you are a chef and you are preparing cake. In that you have some ingredients and steps and bake the cake. These will you already know. You while you are preparing, do not study it from scratch. Just you go to prepare and use those ingredients, and step by step you will prepare the cake. Like that only methods also we can use. This is the syntax of method. First is access modifier. Access modifier, return type, method name and parameters and body of the code. Access modifiers are nothing but this determines the who can access this method. It could be public, private or protected. Return type, this is the data type of the value that method returns. If the method does not return a value, the return type would be void. Method name, this is the name which we can call the method. It follows the same naming convention as variable in Java. List of parameters. These are the inputs to the methods. They are optional. A method may contain 0 parameters also. Example, public int add numbers int a, int b, return a plus b. Here public is access modifier, int is return type, add numbers is a method name, and int a and int b are parameters. There are 4 types of methods. One is without parameters and without return time. See in this example, void display message. This is void means no return types, and it is not returning any value, it's just printing hello. And no parameters, no return types. Here int a and int b are parameters are there and it is not returning any value. Third one is without parameters but return type. He'll get number is returning 10 but it not taking any parameters. And fourth one is parameters with return value. It will take int x and int y. It is also returning a value. Advantages of methods are code can be reusable, and if we make model means our code will be in organized manner. Abstraction. Abstraction can be achieved by abstract keyword in using method or interfaces, but methods also helpful in that. Modularity I already explained. We can make models of the code, large code if it is a large code, and we can divide it as a simple task. Parameter versus arguments. Parameters are placeholders. Means those are empty. There is nothing in the those parameters. Just they hold the value which we assign. Here int x and int y are parameters. Though those do not contain any values. Arguments means actual values. When function calling you give values, no, those are arguments. Return keyword. Return keyword is send result back to the where method is called. Means imagine you send your friend to buy grocery, giving the list like a calling method. Going to the market is method execution, and grocery your friend brings back are the return values. The act of bringing back those groceries is similar to the return keyword. If it returns values and send back to the where function is called, then method execution will be end. Method overloading. Method overloading means if methods have same name, different parameters, but it will be in within class means then it is method overloading. Rules for method overloading are the method must have the same name. The name should be same. The method must have different parameter list. They may differ in number of parameters. Means different parameters may be number may be different or return type may be different. Sorry. Or the type of parameters or the order type of parameters. Means order may be differ. The method can have the same or different return type. The return type it is not does not affect the method overloading because it is not included in the signature. The method can have different access modifier. Method overloading in different classes. Is it allowed or not? It is not allowed. Only within the same class method overloading is allowed. Thank you.